I've never seen Get Out, so I've never seen a horror movie about racism before, but director Jordan Peele will discuss why black and white people will experience the film differently. I had to recognise that black people would be watching this movie and having a different experience. So, surprise hit Get Out is a unique kind of horror, in which the fear at the centre isn't the paranormal or the dark, but racism. We can all relate to other situations, of course, but the film has a unique poignancy for black viewers, as protagonist Daniel visits his white girlfriend's house and has to smile through their overbearing, creepy attempts to show how progressive they are. Is this basically tone policing other progressives? Director Jordan Peele was conscious of the fact that Get Out would play differently to audiences varying in ethnicity. He said, "This was an exercise in making a movie that is meant to be inclusive. Any good story, whoever you are, should be able to relate to the protagonist. At the same time, I had to recognise that black people would be watching this movie and having a different experience than white people would. Often, when I thought about a specific scene or specific moment, I think, I hope the black audience here is saying, you know what, this is my experience. Really. You hope, when you're making a horror movie about racism, you hope black people's experiences are basically just the same, do you?" I mean, it's like deliberately profiting off racism, isn't it? I've never seen it done in a film like this. That's awesome. No, this is basically ideological, isn't it? I mean, I'm going to have to watch this film when it comes out because I'm very interested to see how it is. But this is basically like a communist movie about how the worker overcomes or something like this. And the evil capitalists are hiding around every corner to steal his wealth. At the same moment, I might recognise that there are lots of white people who'd watch the scene and either recognise these moments as something that they've done or that they've seen someone do. Yeah, it's about policing them, isn't it? It's about showing, look, this is how horrific this is to black people. But again, I haven't seen it. Maybe it's really good. Maybe it's really scary. Just a bunch of people being passively racist to people. That's terrifying. But yeah, so, I mean, I'm sure it's great. I'm sure it's brilliant. I'm sure that it's absolutely terrifying for black people of a certain persuasion who are looking for this in particular. I imagine there will be plenty of black people like this is bullshit. But then, I don't think all black people think the same.